All right, YouTube, I have a 2005 Infiniti G35 camshaft sensor. First off, let me show you what a camshaft sensor are. Your first one is right there. You see the green connector right there? That's the first one. Easy to get to. It's going to be a 10 millimeter bolt. Take it out. You're going to do it one hand. And the second one is not easy to get to. It's right up under the throttle body. It's in the back part. But I found the easy way to get it. Instead of taking your plenum and all this stuff out, come to behind the plenum right here, and you'll feel it right up under the throttle body. It's a 10 millimeter. Pull that bad boy out. Boom. You're going to have to one hand mash the clip, pull it back to pull it up out of there. And this es mi chico Dion, y'all take it easy. Oh, to my Spanish speaking people. A toda mi gente latina, ahora mismo estoy cambiando. Este es un 2005 Infiniti. Estoy cambiando el sensor del camshaft. El primero está acá por el conector verde a un 10 milímetros. Quita eso. El segundo está abajo el throttle body, 10 milímetros. Tiene que quitarla de acá. Uso una mano nomás para sacarle el sensor del plug. All right. Y'all stay blessed. Huela suave todo el mundo. Have a nice day. Thank you.